Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my living room. So today I decided just to change up the scenery. I wanted to do a winter haul, but it's not just clothes or makeup or anything like that. It's like everything. And I mean, my Christmas tree's up. I got the mood going. I was like, why don't I just film in my living room? So that is why we are here. I have some clothes to show you guys, some candles, I'm gonna show you guys my home decor for Christmas and like where I got it. I got some really good deals. I have some like little gifts here and there. Honestly, it's just like a little bit of everything, and I figured, why don't we just hang out together and I'll show you my little haul. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you do enjoy this video, you know what to do. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join my squad. I don't know why, but since like I'm in a different setting, I feel like I have so much room to maneuver. And today's post notification shout out goes to Sarah Suarez. Sarah, thank you so much for having your post notifications on. You were one of the first people to comment in my last video, and I appreciate you, and I love you, and I'm sending you nice and warm hugs. So yeah, if you guys want to be my next post notification shout out, all you have to do is turn them on and comment when you are done. Let's get into the video. So, do you guys like my little intro? You see what I did there? I like kept the same intro but made it Christmassy. I'm not like super techie, so I had someone made that intro for me, so I was like, how do I make it more Christmassy? So I think I'm just gonna start out with the clothes that I have on, and also things that I bought. I have things that are more on the high-end side, and also things that like you can get super cheap. So I'm really excited to show you guys my haul. Okay, so first I'm gonna start out with the clothing, which is more high-end clothing. It is what I'm wearing, but let's start out with something that I'm not wearing. So if you guys have followed me for a while, I have done a try-on haul for loungewear underwear. It's loungewear underwear, loungewear apparel, and loungewear intimates. They have a line of intimates and apparel, and I am obsessed with the apparel. I will link the video down below if you guys want to see like more options. This time I stuck to like all black, but they have such nice quality, super cute, trendy, comfy apparel. Like this is like the perfect like jogger outfit. So let me talk to you guys about these leggings. The reason why I'm talking about this, by the way, this video is not sponsored, is because this is their new line and it is available today. So they came out with a new line of apparel, which is in all black, or you can also get it in like a forest green if you're more into colors. So this is like their new legging design, and these are super comfy and super stretchy, and they're not so thick to where they're like way too tight and uncomfortable. These are actually really like just really comfortable, and this is what the front looks like in the back. I will show you guys right now the try-on haul. But these leggings, like I said, are available in the black and the forest green. They're awesome for winter, and I mean really all year long. These are super soft and snugged, and they're a high-waisted fit. These are honestly perfect for just like a chill day, or also to just go work out. And for reference, I am 5'3", and I got the size medium, and this is perfect. It is a little bit snug, but it kind of just like tucks you in. So yeah, these are really cute. Hey guys, this is future VNA realizing that I forgot to talk about this tank top. So this little crop top, let me show you guys. It's like a little, like a spaghetti strap, but then it gets thicker, and it says lounge, and it is crop. This one, it comes in the set with the thin leggings, like the chill ones, and this retails for $65 for the whole thing. Again, this comes in black and forest green. It's really nice. It's like super stretchy, really comfortable. It does crunch at the bottom, but yeah, sorry guys. I totally forgot to show you guys this. So I am wearing like their Scrunchie hoodie and also their Scrunch joggers. I'm wearing them together. It looks so cute. Again, I have them in black, but they do have them in forest green. So this hoodie is like their newest design apparel, launching December 9th. And again, 2 different colors. They're perfect for just chilling like on winter nights, or really, I think this would be like a super cute airport outfit. Is that weird? This one is $65. And then their scrunchy joggers are $72. I love the scrunchiness of it because they really like cinch your waist, and I mean, they're making my body look way better than it really is. So the hoodie is cropped, but since the joggers are high-waisted, it looks perfect. You don't really have to show your tummy if you don't want to. So I know that they're, you know, they're high-end, they're not super affordable, but if you are interested in purchasing these, if you've been eyeing like loungewear in general, I can truly say that I love their stuff. I have their whole collection from like last summer or this summer, and I've washed it, dried it, and it's still really nice, thick, soft, and good quality. So if you guys have been eyeing these and you're like, is it worth the price? They're such good quality. I definitely recommend them. By the way, if you do want to gift these, they are offering like a gift wrapping service for $7 extra. So if you do that, it'll arrive to the person like nicely gifted and wrapped, super cute. They do have a size guide, like a chart on the website. So if you're wondering what size you are, they'll have it right there. And also they have like a live chat. So if you need any help, it's really cool. Again, not sponsored, just something that I really liked, apparel that I've been really loving. And then just for reference, let me get the sizes that I have because I'm wearing them. So I got the joggers in small and the hoodie in medium. Okay, so now let's go to the other spectrum and talk about some affordable things. So I have everything down here. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen this freaking sweater all over my feed. And it's because I love it. So let me show you guys. This is what it looks like. Let me show you what it looks like on. So this sweater is super soft. It is pretty loose, but it's not like super oversized because it does fit perfectly on the sleeves. This is honestly such a nice, comfortable, soft sweater. I've already washed it a couple times. It's still really nice. And guys, guess where I got this? Walmart. That's pretty good. I got it at Walmart for under $17. I'm pretty sure it was like $16.40. Wow, I have a really good memory. I'm pretty sure it was that. And they have this sweater in this pink. They also have it in gray, olive green, and white. I feel like everybody goes to Target because, you know, Target obviously has cute things, but sometimes they get a little bit expensive, and I'm like, wait a minute, I could also go to Forever 21 and get the same thing. You know what I mean? No shade, no tea. But if you're looking for a really comfy sweater like this, go get one. I'm pretty sure they still have them, and I've seen them at like every Walmart that I've been to. And I have mine in a size small, and it fits me perfectly. Okay, let me show you guys my newest obsession. Look at this sweater. This is like a little zip up. I don't know what these are called. I mean, like a jacket sweater. I don't know the right terms, guys. Walmart, $20. Let me show you guys what it looks like on. Obviously, it's super oversized. Well, it's not. I just got it oversized. I got an extra large, and I did that on purpose because I wanted like a comfy sweater just to wear around the house. Let me tell you something. We don't turn the heater on in this house, so you need fuzzy socks and fuzzy sweaters. So I do also take this out. So this, honestly, it comes, I'm pretty sure, so it comes in this like white. It also comes in like a maroon, a blue, and a green. But guys, $20 at Walmart. We have one more thing from Walmart. Guys, Walmart is where it's at. I got these candles. They're halfway gone because we've been using them. I mean, they're honestly, we got them like not too long ago, and I wanted them for this haul, but we had guests over and we left these lit for hours and hours and hours. Alex and Sam, you guys were at our house for like 8 hours. We kept these lit for you. So guys, these are candles from Walmart. I know that everyone's obsessed with Bath & Body Works, and I understand why, but I just don't want to pay that much for a candle. I mean, I will if it's on sale, like I'm down, but like, I don't know, guys. Like, I've bought candles at other places other than Bath & Body Works, and they smell just fine. Yeah, maybe they're not as cute, but let me tell you, if you don't like the sticker on it because it just doesn't look cute, all you have to do is take it off. That's it. And then you have a really pretty clear glass candle, and it looks just as good. I got the smell rustic pine, mainly because Wyatt wanted something that would make our fake tree smell like a real tree. And then I picked pumpkin spice. Usually I don't pick something super sweet like this, but honestly it makes the house smell amazing. So guys, if you're into candles and you're kind of ran out of money because you bought everybody presents and you want some candles, go to Walmart. I'm pretty sure these were like $6. Okay, I know I was throwing some shade to Target, but I did find some gems at Target. I do have to give it to them. If you ever go to like the aisle where you first enter, they have a lot of like $1 things, $5 things, $10 things. And during the Christmas time, they have the perfect stocking stuffers. I suck at saying that. I always want to call them boots, and why it's like, you mean stocking? And I'm like, yeah, it's a boot, whatever. So this is really funny because these are actually some gifts that I'm giving to my family, but this video will be up after I give it to them, so they'll never know. Or they will know, I'll just be able to surprise them. So I got these at Target. Let me show you guys by themselves. What it is, it's 2 mugs in one, and it even says to and from, so you could literally just like give it to them like this. One says be merry, and the other one says be bright, and they're super cute Christmas mugs. Guys, I paid $5. $5 for 2 cute Christmassy mugs. I mean, is that not a good deal? So mom and dad, these are going to you guys, if I don't break them. I got these. These say cup of cheer and snuggle season. I love these. I got these for my brother and his girlfriend, so guys, this one's for you. $5. Now they know how much it costs. I have one more mug. It's a little random, but it's so cute. This is what it looks like. I know I'm super far away, but you guys can see what it looks like. It's like a little reindeer. I actually posted a picture on my Instagram with it and that pink sweater. I'll put it right here. But I love this because I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's kind of like, I don't want to say it wrong, like holographic. I don't know. People are like, it's not holographic, it's iridescent. I don't know. It's a bunch of really pretty colors, and I got it at H-E-B. If you're from Texas, you know H-E-B. H-E-B is my place. If you're not from Texas, H-E-B is actually a grocery store, and I got this for, I'm pretty sure, $5. The reason why I'm showing you this is because even if you're not from Texas, you need to go look at other places that are not, like, I don't know how to explain it. You don't have to go to the Decor places or specific places to find something. Go to your grocery store and go to their Christmas aisle, and they're gonna have some cute stuff, super cheap. And lastly, I just wanted to show you guys these cute fussy socks. I got these at Marshall's, and it's a pack of 3, and they have the little rubber thingies so you don't like slip around. Ever since we moved to our new house, honestly, I've never had floor like this. I'm used to carpet, so right now it's super cold, and since we don't use the heater, because we're not weak, I have to use socks because I got sick already. Anyways, I want to show you guys this because at Target, I'm going to throw a little bit of shade again. I was looking for fussy socks, and they were like $10 for 1 pair. For 1 pair, and I was like, who do you think you are? So I went to Marshall's, and I found these for $5, $4.99, 3 pairs with the rubber stuff, super, like, and then one has like glitter on it. So yeah, guys, if you need to go get fussy socks, go to Marshall's. I mean, if you need anything, go to Marshall's. There's no reason to pay full price for anything. Okay, so now I'm just gonna show you guys really quickly where I got all my decor for Christmas. So the little fake wreath that you see above the mantle, we got that at Walmart like for like 20 bucks or under, and I actually really like it. It's nice and thick, like it's pretty good quality, so I love that. And then these little side pieces, actually Wyatt's sister gave them to us. I have no idea where she got them, but thanks, Allison. Now, these little snowflake little stocking holders, we got these at Hobby Lobby, as well as the bigger boots. And then that little boot, which was Wyatt's idea, and everyone thinks that we're having a baby. We are not, we just have a cat. This is Tiger's little boot. We got that actually at H-E-B again, which is my grocery store. And then this beautiful painting that you guys see is actually my mom. She painted this for our house, and I just love it. If you guys didn't know, she is a great artist. Let me tell you guys something about Hobby Lobby. I'm not gonna say too much about it just because my Vlogmas video coming up, I was talking about how Hobby Lobby makes everything like double the price and then say it's 50% off. Don't get fooled. And by the way, our tree, it's actually a 9-foot tree, and it's fake, obviously, and we got it at Lowe's, and then we just put silver ornaments again that we got at H-E-B. So yeah, All right, guys, and this is the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you just got to chill with me, maybe give you guys some ideas. I know it's like almost mid-December, but if you still wanted to like go get some decorations or you just want some ideas for next year, there you have it. Guys, go to Walmart, get your sweaters, go to Target, get your mugs, go to Marshall's, get your socks. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this chill vibe because this is the most comfortable video I've ever filmed. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys want to see next, like always. And guys, if you guys haven't entered my Christmas giveaway, you are missing out. I will link it up here if I remember. I really hope it's up there because then if it's not, I forgot. But if I forgot, it'll be down there. So go click it, go enter. It's a bunch of makeup, double the prices. Definitely take advantage of that. So anyways, guys, I love you guys so much and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I want to run out of battery because the camera's too far from me. I can't like turn it off. Tiger, if you're gonna be in the video. Oh! Tiger! But I did find some, no, stop texting me. You guys didn't even notice that I had a freaking cable right here the whole time. You didn't notice because I camouflaged it with my jacket.